Okay, we have our head is all finished. Get everything put back together. We had the wig on that we want. Last thing we need to do is we're going to put our hands that we made on our body. Make sure you get your left and your right hand on proper. Don't get them on the wrong hand. Is that one? If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments or any suggestions, please put it in my comment section. I enjoy hearing what you have to say. Okay, last thing we want to do is we take the body, and I'm going to use some of my paste wax here. And we always put a little paste wax on here. This just helps the neck to slide around easier when it's in the body, so periodically you want to wax this down a little bit. You can even put it on the bottom of the neck if you need to, or if you want to. So anyway, this character is done, so now all we got to do is get him dressed. Thanks for watching.